How to enable or disable function FN keys in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to fix FN keys not working quickly. First, look for the FN lock key on your keyboard, usually located near the escape key or combined with another key like caps lock. After that, press FN and escape together, or FN and caps lock, depending on your keyboard model. From there, this toggles FN lock on or off instantly. At this point, test by pressing a function key like F1 or F5 to see if it now performs its standard function instead of media controls. In the next step, if this shortcut doesn't work on your laptop, click on the Start menu and open Settings instead. Following this, click on Bluetooth and Devices, then click on Keyboard. Once done, look for an option related to function key behavior, though this may not appear on all laptops. From here, keep in mind many laptop manufacturers control this setting through their own dedicated software rather than Windows settings directly. At this stage, check if your laptop came with a manufacturer app like Lenovo Vantage or HP Support Assistant and look for FN key settings there instead. Keep in mind, some keyboards also let you change this directly in BIOS, so restart your computer and enter BIOS if none of these methods worked. Finally, test your function keys again once you've applied the change to confirm they're working as expected. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable or disable FN keys in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.